How to change email address on Snapchat. So let's get right into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application Snapchat is up to date. If not, you can head over to your app store and then update it to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, what you want to do is head over to Snapchat app. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now, move ahead to your profile at the top left corner of the screen, and then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Tons of different settings will be visible to you. You will also be able to see the menu where it says email. Head over to it. So this is one of the email address that you have set before on Snapchat. In order to change it, all you want to do is remove this email address and then enter the new mail that you want to set. Once you have entered, tap on continue at the bottom. Now enter the password of your email address. Once you have entered the password, tap on continue. Now you can simply head over to your email and then verify this email address. After that, your email address will be changed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.